So most of the houses we deliver to on the islands have got regular barge services. South Stradbroke doesn't, so you're actually going to hire the barge specific for your job. The truck that we use for this is Bob's crane truck hire. I've known him for about 20 years and his truck was old then, but he's very reliable, gets the materials to wherever it needs to go. So this one, it's about $2,000 to hire the barge. House is nearly at frame stage is completed. We started about 3 weeks ago. So even with the remote locations, it's still possible to get the materials there.